21. How will Ethereum ensure the network is capable of making 10,000 plus transactions per second? What is Ethereum Classic? How is Ethereum Classic &C related to Ethereum F? How to recover Ethereum sent to Ethereum address? Can a normal person mine Ethereum? Why does Ethereum fluctuate so much? How does Ethereum work? What is an Ethereum block? What is an Ethereum smart contract? What is an Ethereum client?